Before starting your install, it's vital to prep your space and yourself. Here are 5 things to do to ensure a successful install. Number 1, sweep your space. The do-it-yourself PPF kit must be done indoors in a safe and clean environment. This helps avoid debris from getting stuck on the adhesive side of the PPF. Number 2, turn off direct airflow. If you have fans or strong airflows running, make sure to turn it off or direct it elsewhere. This helps make sure debris isn't in the air and won't get underneath your film. Number 3, wet your floor. This helps keep the dust and other debris on the floor and not in the air. Just a couple sprays is fine right before you install a panel. Number 4, wash your hands. It's very important to handle the film with clean hands. Be careful what you touch after you wash your hands too, especially your cell phone. Number 5, wear proper attire. Avoid wearing fabrics like wool. If you have a pet, make sure you wear clothing that doesn't have any pet hair. Before every install, it's recommended you use a lint roller.